My name is Lo and I am mad at myself. I had a geography test yesterday and I got a bad grade. I really like geography but I didn't study. I always have a million things to do, and I can never find the time to open my books. Anyway, I got a 3 out of 10 on the test. So now I am also worried. I don't want my dad to be disappointed in me. I'm going out on my bike for a while. I'll take my dog along too. My bike is the standard basic interplanetary kids equipment that all children here on Enceladus have. It's less bulky but a little slower than the orange SARS, common adult rockets, that the grown-ups fly. I like to go biking with my friends after school and fly circles around Saturn. But today it's just me and my poodle Albirix. When I fly my bike, I forget about my problems. Outside Enceladus's atmosphere, I take the dog out of her seat. Albirix loves to float around freely. Albirix, don't you love being out in space? Woof. Woof woof. What? Oh, I forgot to turn on Poodle Translate. Can you repeat that? Yes, I love being with you, Albirix says, wagging her tail. Oh, you're sweet, Albirix. Look out the window at Saturn and its rings and moons. Every moon is different. Some have water and some are just rock. Some have people living on them. Isn't that cool? Woof woof. The coolest is that moon in front of us. That's Tethys. It's made of ice. I think of Tethys as a giant ice cream moon. I'm hungry. You only think about food, Albirix. Don't you dream about exploring the universe? Wouldn't it be nice to discover a new planet, or even an empire? Woof woof. But it would be more exciting to sniff a new kind of steak or bite some strange type of hamburger. Albirix smiled. When dogs smile, Poodle Translate shows a symbol. Io, why did you fail your geography test if you love space travel? I don't know. I like learning about space, but memorizing more than 50 moons for Saturn is too much work. I think I prefer simpler planets. Io, I have an idea. Let's go to Earth. People say it's the most incredible planet you can see from space. I always wanted to go there. But isn't it far? Woof woof. It's only an hour. Okay, let's go. I buckle the dog in her seat, put on my seatbelt and start the turbo drive. Io, Albirix asks, humans are from Earth, right? Why do humans live on so many different planets and moons? Because Earth got very full. Cities were too big and people destroyed nature. The oceans were poisoned, and the forests all disappeared. Most animals became extinct. So humans moved to other planets and moons like Mars and Enceladus. This all happened many years ago. I don't remember any of it because I was just a baby, but my mother often tells me about it. Look, there's Mars in the distance, the red planet. Woof. Mars looks like an orange and I don't even like oranges. Did you bring any snacks? Oh, Albirix, you're terrible. Here you go. Woof. Thanks, Io. I love moon rocks. They taste like potato chips. Io, you look sad, the dog said when he finished eating. What's the matter? Look, we're approaching Earth. It doesn't look like a nice place at all. It looks, well, brown and almost all dried up. It's not blue and green like in all those old pictures. Yes, you're right. Well, we're lucky we live on Enceladus then. Enceladus is more beautiful than Earth for sure. Yes, Albirix, we are. Let's head back home now, or I'll be in even more trouble. When we get home, I park my bike in the garage. My dad is waiting for us outside the front door. He looks disappointed and concerned. I can see he knows about the test. He hugs me and says, "Hi, honey. I got your weekly report. What happened with your test?" Oh, Dad, I'm so sorry, but I didn't study enough for the test. We had to learn all the moons of Saturn. All of them? Well, honey, it may be hard, but that's when it's even more important to study. What would happen if we gave up learning every time something was hard? You're right, Dad, I smiled. Next time I can help you, we can learn together. Yes, thanks, Dad. Now I feel much better. What else is new, Io? Well, I took a quick trip to Earth and I was thinking, when I grow up, I want to become a space explorer. I say, I like that. We need smart girls like you to find new planets and moons. But first you need to study geography. Yes, Dad. I'll start after dinner. Great. We're having Mars burgers tonight. Yummy. The best food in the galaxy. Woof. You're not the only one who's hungry, Io.